Hey everybody, today I am going to tell you the engrossing story of Ramayana for children. Everyone knows that there are 10 avatars of Vishnu. The seventh one is known as Ram. His story is called the Ramayana. Today I will be telling the Ramayana. Once upon a time, in a kingdom called Ayodhya, there the king Dasharatha had 4 sons, Rama, Lakshmana, Bharata and Shatrughna. They were being trained to be proper Kshatriya warriors by their guru named Vishwamitra. They also used to help the guru keep away the devils that tried to poison his sacrifice with blood and flesh. So then, the most trained of the two was Rama and Lakshmana. They were taken to Janakpur to woo the princess of Mithila. So there, the test for the Swayamvara was to break the mighty bow of Lord Mahadev, also known as Shiva. None were able to do this, but Rama could. He broke the bow into half. So, Sita and Rama were married. Now, then he was supposed to be king as the eldest son among the 4 princes. But Bharata's mother was very jealous and wanted her son to become king. So she tricked Dasharatha into banishing Rama, Lakshmana and Sita to the forest, and then she forced him to make Bharata the king. Now, poor Dasharatha was getting old, and to see his son go away from him, he got ill and died. So then Bharata was forced to rule the kingdom. Meanwhile, in the forest, a Rakshasi was begging Rama to marry her. But he kept telling her, I am already married. And then she angrily said, I will eat your wife and then you will have to marry me, she cackled. But Lakshmana, being a very obedient and loving brother, sliced off her nose. So then she made a plan with Ravana. They would kidnap Sita. So then, after that was executed, the result was with Sita being abducted. So then Rama goes to support with the monkey king Sugriv. Sugriv was banished from his kingdom by his evil brother Vali. There he had stationed with a huge army of monkeys, one of them including General Lord Bajrang, also known as Hanuman. So then they declared war on Ravana and began to fight. Many of Ravana's sons were killed too, not only the soldiers. So then, angrily at the sight of his brother Atikaya being killed, Indrajit, also known as Meghnad, stormed into battle and used a huge trishul to make Lakshmana faint. So then the physician, whose name was Sushen, told that the only cure was a herb called the Sanjeevani Bhuti, which grew on Dronagiri mountains, high to the Himalayas. But it would take more than 18 years to go there and come back. Hanuman made that like this. Off he flew, broke the whole mountain and brought it back. So then they took out the herb and then he went and put it back. So then Indrajit was surprised that Lakshmana had survived. So he started a sacrifice to make himself invisible. But the Vanars, who were the monkey people, spoiled the sacrifice. So then he was forced to come out of the cave from his penance and fight Lakshmana again. This time, Lakshmana took the opportunity and shot Indrajit on the chest. So then, angrily, Ravan picked up his bow and arrow and stormed into battle. 2 days of severe combat, and finally, using a special sharp arrow, Rama killed Ravana with it and fulfilled his destiny of the avatar. So then, they sat in the flying vehicle known as the Pushpaka Viman, and they used that to go back to Ayodhya. But before that, a test was held. That test proved if Sita had turned to Ravana or not. Sita proved that she was still in love with Ram, but as soon as they reached Ayodhya, Rama banished her to live with his guru. So there she gave birth to 2 boys, Lava and Kusa. Then they trained themselves to be warriors. Many years passed. When they were in their teens, their father Ram had an Ashwadama yoga where they would sacrifice a horse and then let it free to run away, and then they would take it back with the help of their army. So then Rama appointed Shatrughna to take care of the horse with his troops. So then Lava and Kusa thought this was a rather nice target for riding. So they stole the horse. So then war was sent on them. But they defeated all the brothers except for Rama. Even Lakshmana was slumped to the ground. I am really confused. How can 2 boys destroy my whole army, including my brothers? Thought Ram. So then he armed himself with his bow and arrow and off he went to fight. After some time, Lava and Kusha's guru came and told who he is. So Rama was joyed to have his wife back and with 2 sons. But now the messenger of time, who was a sage, told him that his time, being an avatar, was no more. So then he withdrew from Ayodhya's great hills and walked to the river Sarayu. There he waded into it and held his breath until he were in heaven, having left his physical body back on earth. I hope you enjoyed the story of Ramayana for children, and remember, if there is anything worth a go, it is worth in finding the Rama in you. Thank you and see you soon.